Every single second, thousands of French fries are being eaten around the world. From busy fast food restaurants to family dinners at home, French fries have become one of the most popular foods on the planet. But have you ever wondered how millions of perfectly golden fries are produced every day? What if I told you there's a factory so massive that it can process hundreds of tons of potatoes daily, transforming them into mountains of crispy French fries using some of the most advanced machines in the food industry? Today, we're taking you inside one of the world's largest French fries factories to uncover the incredible journey from freshly harvested potatoes to the crispy fries enjoyed by millions of people every day. The process begins long before the fries reach your plate. It starts on large potato farms where special potato varieties are grown specifically for French fry production. These potatoes are carefully selected for their size, texture, and quality to ensure every fry meets strict standards. Every day, huge truckloads of potatoes arrive at the factory. Before production begins, quality control teams inspect samples from each shipment. Only the best potatoes are approved to continue through the process. Once accepted, the potatoes move into giant washing systems where powerful streams of water remove dirt, dust, and other impurities. After cleaning, the potatoes enter one of the factory's most impressive machines, the steam peeler. Instead of traditional peeling methods, high-pressure steam removes the skins in just a few seconds. Rotating brushes then polish the potatoes, leaving them perfectly prepared for the next stage. Now comes one of the most satisfying parts of the entire process. The peeled potatoes are sent through high-speed cutting machines. Using powerful water pressure, each potato is forced through razor-sharp stainless steel blades. In an instant, a single potato is transformed into dozens of perfectly shaped French fries. The precision of these machines is remarkable. Every fry is cut to a consistent size, helping ensure even cooking and the perfect texture. Next, the fries pass through advanced sorting systems equipped with cameras and sensors. These systems inspect thousands of fries every minute, automatically removing any pieces that don't meet quality standards. Only the best fries continue through the production line. The fries then move into large hot water tanks in a process known as blanching. This important step improves color and texture while preparing the fries for frying. It helps create the uniform golden appearance that consumers expect. After blanching, the fries enter powerful drying tunnels where excess surface moisture is removed. This stage plays a critical role in creating the crispy texture that makes French fries so irresistible. Now comes the transformation everyone has been waiting for. The fries enter enormous industrial fryers filled with carefully filtered vegetable oil. As they move through the fryer, advanced systems constantly monitor temperature and cooking time to ensure perfect results. The fries develop their signature golden color, crispy exterior, and delicious flavor. The sight of thousands of fries flowing through these giant fryers every minute is truly incredible. After frying, the fries are rapidly cooled and transferred into massive freezing tunnels. Extremely cold air freezes the fries within minutes, locking in their flavor, texture, and freshness. This quick freezing process ensures the fries maintain their quality during storage and transportation. The frozen fries then move to the packaging section, where automation takes over once again. High-speed machines accurately weigh portions, fill bags, seal packages, and prepare them for shipment. Robotic systems organize the finished products into cartons with incredible speed and precision. Before leaving the factory, every batch undergoes strict quality inspections. Advanced scanners and safety systems ensure that every package meets food safety and quality standards. Once approved, the fries are loaded onto refrigerated trucks and shipped to supermarkets, restaurants, and fast food chains around the world. Within days, the fries produced in this factory may be served to millions of people across different countries, from carefully selected potatoes and high-speed cutting machines to giant fryers, freezing tunnels, and robotic packaging systems. Every stage of the process is designed to deliver the perfect French fry. The next time you enjoy a serving of crispy French fries, you'll know the incredible journey that took place behind the scenes to bring them to your plate. If you enjoyed this factory tour, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to NextEra Manufacturing